Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. My name is Radzi.
And my name is Paul, bringing you live from TV3. Recently, YB Othman, the Minister of Chemical Engineering, has stated his feelings through social media regarding about his demotion.
YB Othman said that teeth should not be a matter throughout his career. However, netizens of Malaysia do not think the same. In less than 24 hours, the case of YB Othman being demoted was well spread across the country, with the topic, do people who have white and yellow teeth are considered as different races?
Looks like we have one of our reporters in the field now, and it appears she is interviewing YB Othman as we speak. Miss Farah, take it away.
Thank you, Paul. So now we are live in front of YB Othman's house, and he agreed to say something to us. YB Othman, how do you feel about your recent demotion?
I'm truly devastating if you ask me. I did not expect that this country will take such a light matters heavily. But then again, the netizens weren't wrong. I do have a foul tooth.
YB Othman, do you have anything to say to the netizens out there?
I just want to say that I'm really sorry for not keeping myself clean and take care of my tooth well. I really hope that this company would do better without me. However, I will be attending conference tomorrow held by Dr. Phillips, and I really encourage young ones to attend that conference.
Well, there you have it. Thank you so much for your time, YB Othman. Paul and Razi, take it away.
Thank you, Farah, for that wonderful interview with YB Othman. I think it's a great idea to attend Dr. Phillips' conference tomorrow.
Yes, I couldn't agree with you more, Paul. Dr. Phillips is an esteemed scientist and dentist and also the head of Shiro.co. For those of you who don't know, Shiro.co is the #1 world-leading company when it comes to dentistry. I would love to meet Dr. Phillips someday, but until next time, my name is Razi.
And my name is Paul. This is us,
Signing off.
Man, really have a reality, right? I wonder why netizens such like this. Hello? Yeah, hello, Professor. How are you? Yeah, I'm good. What? You asked me to join you for the tomorrow press conference? Yeah, it's an honor for me to join you. Alright. Okay. See you soon, Doctor. No, Professor. Yeah, see you soon. Okay, bye. Bye. That's it. Now. Professor, good morning.
Good morning.
Are you ready for today?
Yes,
Alright.
you certainly come early today.
Yeah, of course. I'm
Let's-
very excited about it.
Let's go take our seat.
Alright.
Hey, Bernard, that's YB of mine. Let's go meet him, shall we?
Yeah.
Good morning, YB of mine. I'm Sanders. This is Bernard. I'm his professor. Bernard is currently taking his PhD in chemical engineering.
Whatever.
Let's have a seat, Professor.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. Phillips William, and I am the CEO from Shiro.co company. You know that Shiro.co has been operating since 2010, and we have made a lot of inventions in order to make our people's life becomes better. But today, we are going to focus on this one particular problem. But before I begin, I would like everyone to close your eyes and smile. Aha! I see so many yellow teeth here. But no worries, what I am going to tell you today will solve your problem. You know that many people think that it is impossible to get a perfect white pearl teeth because of how slow the bleaching process is, and they don't even know how they can get it. Today, we from Shiro.co has found a solution, which is through electrochemistry. The enamel part of our teeth, which is the outer layer, will corrode the intrinsic part until it becomes more visible and hence darker. Therefore, I present to you Abyad, our latest formula in teeth whitening containing high-quality hydrogen peroxide, and with the use of electricity, the process will become faster. Now, let's look into an example. This is Ronaldo, one of our patients, before and after he get a treatment through Abyad. I guess, let us hear what he got to say.
I recently tried the Abyad teeth whitening kit and I was impressed with the results. The kit includes the whitening gel, LED light, and a mouth tray. All easy to use. After just a bit of 15 minutes daily session, I noticed my teeth are very white. The packaging is sleek and professional, making it a great at-home whitening solutions. So, if you are looking for an effective way to brighten your smile, I highly recommend Abyad. Thank you.
I guess the product spoke for itself. Ladies and gentlemen, Abyad.
Dr. Phillips really outdone himself this year. What do you think, Bernard?
Yeah, I'm quite confused here. What does hydrogen peroxide do with teeth whitening? And what's with electricity back there? I thought bleaching was the best process. Can you enlighten me a little bit, Professor?
Okay, Bernard.
Alright.
Let me give you a hint. Okay, electrochemistry is very important in the dental industry as it eases teeth whitening and teeth implants. It also produces better results than when we are using conventional techniques like normal bleaching.
Alright.
However, how this works in this industry should be our job to figure it out.
Oh.
What do you think, YB Othman? Huh? He left already?
Yeah, what a very rude guy, is he?
Yeah, he's very busy.
Yeah.
Anyways, I have to meet someone. So why don't you go for your lunch first and give this a try? I'll see you later.
Thank you, Professor.
Hey, Bernard.
Hey, Augustus, how are you?
I'm fine. Why you look so confused around here?
Oh, you can see me confused there.
Yes, you are my friend.
Wait, let me take off this bag first.
What happened to you?
Well, I just attended the press conference just now.
Yes.
I got confused about... Wait, you take electrochemistry, right?
Yes, that is my best subject.
Yeah.
Interview.
For that, can you explain to me a little bit how does hydrogen peroxide has to do with teeth whitening?
Basically, it's about electrochemistry. It is a redox process.
Okay.
Where it's undergo two main process, reduction and also oxidation.
Okay.
So oxidation is where increasing in number of oxidation and also increasing in oxygen.
Okay.
While losing in hydrogen and losing in electron. So you must wonder, right, what happened in hydrogen peroxide
Okay.
in the process of whitening, right?
Yes.
First, you have to know what substance in the reaction. Can you guess it?
Hydrogen peroxide and stains on animal, right?
Oh, you quite clever here, eh?
Okay. Yeah.
So what is the oxidation agent?
Says here is hydrogen peroxide because it can break down into hydroxy radicals and perohydroxy radicals, which is capable of breaking the bond.
I see. Yes, precisely. During the whitening process, hydrogen peroxide is applied to the stain on the enamel, which is the upper layer of the teeth.
When it breaks down into the ROS, just like you said, it will attack the organic molecule on the enamel. These molecules are conjugate with a double bond of the chromophore, who are responsible for the color of the stain. Therefore, the attack break the bond, altering the chromophore structure, making the molecule become more colorless.
Whoa, I get it now. But Dr. Philip mentioned just now something about electricity. What does electricity have to do with it?
Let me ask you, Bernard, what happens if you put catalyst in the reaction?
It lowers the activation energy and making the reaction is much faster.
See, you know the answer, right?
Yeah.
Basically, electricity is the catalyst that fastens the whitening process.
Oh.
Yes, I hope it will help you a lot, bro.
Alright. So let's order for some our lunch.
Of course.
What do you want? Dr. Phillips! Dr. Phillips!
What an energetic discussion, guys.
Yeah.
It's an honor to see you here.
Yeah, my name is...
Oh, your professor has been telling me a lot about you guys.
Oh my.
I really love your curiosity, Bernard.
Oh.
And a good explanation, Augustus.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Prof.
Professor Sanders!
Hello.
Hi, Professor, this is my friend, Augustus. Well, for him, he just explained it to me very clearly about how does hydrogen peroxide has to do with teeth whitening and what's with electricity back then.
Yes.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, no problem. Just one thing.
I understand.
Oh,
Why be?
thank you. Thank you so much for making me. Yeah, it's my pleasure. I think we can get a more project, right?
Yeah.
Sure.
You teach what? Yeah. Oh, good.
Impressive, guys. It's good to be passionately curious in this industry. Now, let me treat all of you for a lunch.
Wow.
Let's go.
Thank you. Let's go.
Let's have a sit there.
Hey, wait for me.